Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back. Today we're going to walk you through exactly how to install BeeTV on your FireStick in 2025 using two reliable methods, with the Downloader app and with ES File Explorer. If you're ready to start streaming your favorite content, let's get right into it. First up, let's start with the Downloader method. From your FireStick main menu, head over to the search option and type in Downloader Application. When you see it in the search results, select it. It's the one with the orange icon and a download arrow. Go ahead and download and install it. Once the installation is complete, launch the Downloader app. The first time you open it, it will ask for permission to access your files. Just hit Allow. Now look to the left-hand side of the screen and choose the Home option. On the right, you'll see a space to enter a URL. In that field, type in beatvpk.org/hh40/. This will start downloading the BeeTV APK directly onto your FireStick. After the download finishes, your FireStick will automatically open the APK file. You'll see a prompt asking if you want to install BeeTV. Go ahead and press Install. Once installation is done, you'll get an App Installed message. Click Done to return to the Downloader app and make sure to delete the APK file afterward when prompted. This keeps your FireStick storage clean and free of unnecessary files. Now, if for any reason you want to try a different method, let's move on to the ES File Explorer approach. Start again from the search bar on your FireStick and this time type in ES File Explorer. Download and install it just like before. Once it's installed, open the app and look to the left side menu. Tap on Tools and then select Download Manager. At the bottom of the screen, hit the plus New button. A pop-up will appear asking for a path and a name. In the path field, type hbeatvp.org/hh4. And in the name field, just enter anything you'd like, maybe something like BeeTV. Once that's done, hit Download Now. Wait a bit while the APK file is being downloaded. After it finishes, tap on Open File and then select Install. You'll see the installation screen appear. Click Next and then tap Install again. Once BeeTV is installed, you'll see an App Installed message. Just click Done to exit the installation window. And there you have it. BeeTV is now fully installed on your FireStick and you're ready to start streaming. Whether you use the Downloader app or ES File Explorer, both methods are quick and easy. Enjoy your new setup and catch you in the next one.